I know that everybody understands that food is a universal right, that food is not a weapon of war. Food should never be a weapon. And the airstrikes on our convoy, I don't think were an unfortunate mistake. It was really a direct attack on a clearly marked vehicles whose movements were known by everybody at the IDF. And I know Israelis. I have many friends that are Israelis and Jewish. Israel has and had all the right to defend their people. But defending your people is not killing everybody else around. I've been in Gaza myself. We were in a deconflicted zone. We were in an area that was highly controlled by IDF. Let's make sure that we stop the continuous killing of everything that moves inside Gaza.